everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the latest purchase from Amazon. This is the gaming microphone from the company. I won't even try and pronounce it. SPKPAL. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to see what does it look like when it comes in, quality like, etc. Comes in 3 different colors, black, white, or pink. I went with the black. That's going to be talking about the stand itself for the microphone. This is a multicolor microphone. The colors are going to be the same no matter what stand color you get. So let's take a look at it. And then once I get it unboxed and set up, I will show you what those different colors look like. So a quick look at the product specifications. Instruction manual should be pretty easy. This is a plug-and-play microphone. You don't have to go to their website, download any drivers, anything like that. Simply plug it in and you should be good to go. So let's see everything we've got here. It's packaged really nicely. It has this foam insert so everything can't get banged around. Wow, this is the stand. It is heavy. It is a heavy-duty metal stand. This is going to be your pop filter. Your USB cable. This is a 6-foot USB Type-C cable. And then they give you this Type-C adapter. You can plug this Type-C in, gives you a USB out, and then you can plug this in to the USB out. So just a little adapter. And then the microphone itself has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack if you're wanting to plug anything into it. You can adjust it. This is going to be your input for your Type-C cable. And this is going to be your volume control knob down here at the bottom. So you can make it louder or quieter. Looks really nice. I'm going to get it set up. Let's see what the lights look like on it. Okay, so that literally took me about 2 seconds to set this thing up. Again, you don't have to leave the microphone straight up like this. You can use the adjustment knob, angle it any way you want to. All I did is plugged it in and it's working just fine. I did want to also mention if you register the product on the company's website, you get a 24-month extended warranty. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the overhead light, let you look at the lights on it. I have the unit turned on. You do not have to use the lights on it. You can keep it dark just like I have right now. If you want to turn them on, the top button is your mute button. It will also act as your light switch. I did want to mention if you turn it on, you have a couple different options. You've got all blue where it'll just stay blue the whole time. Or if you press and hold it, it will change to this color where it will cycle through the different colors. I'm going to let you take a look at them. I'm not sure how well it's coming across on my camera, but basically it's going to go through 7 different color combinations, and it'll just continuously cycle through those. Again, if you don't like it changing, if you press and hold the mute button, you can keep it just on blue, or if you simply tap the mute button, you can turn off the colors completely. I hope the video helped.